Mini notebooks are such a favorite project of mine, so let's make a cute little mini notebook out of some scrap chipboard and my 6x8 Carefree paper pad. I love the scrapbook.com double-sided adhesive. It works great for creating covers. I simply lay on the adhesive strips, pull off the back, and we're ready to apply our pattern paper. So I am using an X-Acto knife to trim off the perfect amount of excess so I have clean and crisp covers. I am doing this to the front and the back of my two covers so that they are nice and perfectly smooth with my desired Carefree cardstock that I chose from the paper pad. You can choose whatever papers you like. I'm just loving these blush spring tones for this mini notebook. Now that I have both my covers, I am going to trim my coordinating paper for the inside. I am just using a basic white letter paper and trimming it so that it will fit inside my notebooks perfectly. These Heidi Swap stamp sets are awesome to add some dimension, some design, and of course a notebook title. I love creating DIY notebooks because you can customize them to whatever you desire. This little notebook I thought would be an awesome quote notebook. I love collecting quotes and messages, so I thought that stamp was perfect for this project. I am using a little bit of edging, and now to get the mini cinch involved. Step one is to punch the covers, so I align with my measurements and I punch my corresponding holes. Next up are the inside pages. Again, align and punch through. The mini cinch is great for these projects, and I love that I can use this mini cinch for my mini notebooks and journals. I now trim off my coil, add my inside pages, my front cover, back cover, and flip over. And how about that? A beautifully customized coiled notebook, perfect for all the things.